So we're at Z Casino.
We went to look for cheap food.
And if you have the card, the player's card, this breakfast is $5.99. Can't beat that. So we are at Z Casino in Blackhawk. We just ate at this restaurant. $5.99 breakfast. And we're going to walk down. Do a walkthrough.
It's a nice view.
Look at that. Here we are. Blackhawk. And we're gonna walk through. There's 3 levels. Actually, wait. This was the 3rd level of the restaurant.
Yeah.
There's 2 levels of casino.
There's 3 levels of casino.
3 or 2? Oh, snaps.
Yeah.
All right, so we're supposedly on level 2. I think this is level 2. Yeah. So if you have a player's card here, you can get the breakfast for $5.99. If you have a player's card, you sign up for a brand new card at the other casino down the street, which is Tiger Dragon, you get a free noodle soup, which wasn't that great. Oh, it is 3 levels. Oh man, hold on, I gotta do a quick video here. 3 levels. Z Casino, Blackhawk, Colorado. 3 levels. Woo!
It doesn't look it from outside, huh?
No, it doesn't look like it. Oh, Hugh's been here, huh? Big jackpot guy, Raja. So there it is. Oh, there's lower level, first,
Ooh,
second,
they have
third.
Starbucks.
Wow. You gonna get Starbucks coffee? Well, okay. Starbucks coffee. Bunch of older games over here. Man, these are really old. So yeah, there is 3 levels. Let's go down to the next level. Taking the stairs. So this is the first level, and then there's a bottom level. Okay, let's go clockwise. Dragon Train. Oh, there you can bet games here. There she goes. Crazy stereo system. Yeah. Oh, they do? Okay.
Well, I think so.
Let's go check it out.
See?
After I finish walking up here. I got the bar over here. Jackpot Carnival. They have this Jackpot Carnival Extreme that is like really high. I was watching somebody on YouTube play it. ridiculous. A Cowtopia. Rocky Buddha. Yeah. Oh, it's the other game. Yeah. Is it? Oh, it's Planet Moolah. Oh, Cowtopia. It's different, huh? Hmm. Yeah, it looks like it. Dragon Train. I always thought that was a banana.
It's a fire.
Yeah, it's a flame.
Alright, we're going down
The lower, very bottom lower level.
to lower level.
Oh, they do have, oh, they got individual here too.
Look at
Oh
that.
my goodness. Oh, all the interblock games are down here. Minimum bet's $1.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna go walk. Wow, this is like all interblock games. Woo! Then they got the old school style interblock bubble craps. And there's Z Casino bar. Free drinks. Yeah, look at all this.
The winning number is 27.
The winning number is 27.
They got individual, their baccarat, blackjack.
Blackjack one.
Oh, copyright music. Still no Cashman Bingo. Yeah.
Can I?
Here you go.
Oh, any change from a while ago?
Yeah. Cool. Well, there's your walkthrough, everybody. Time to go play.